for the fight of my life, hit my knees and I strap on my gloves. Boy, I've been prepping since like I was 7, and thing is I'm already covered in blood. Rocking in love, this for the ones who miss.
Brown lip combos are boring now. They're boring now. Let's do something different. I want to see something different from the girls, okay? Pull out the pink lip gloss. The pink lip gloss has been in the back of the drawer collecting dust. You could be looking like a brat star, but you're not serious.
I'm vanilla, baby.
Like five, click, click, five.
I've been going out like a bad bitch. I've been looking fine through the minute.
Whoever came up with that little brown lip liner combo that y'all be doing on y'all lips, oh my God, they deserve everything in this life. It really be the simple things that we notice, and I'm like, damn, son, that look mad good. Wow, 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 you're mad cute. Brown lip liner.
One thing about Juvia's Place, they're gonna always give us a new collection. So get ready to unleash your creativity with Juvia's Place new Afro Galactic collection. If you're like myself and you tend to gravitate towards the neutral eye looks, this palette is perfect to get creative and play around with colors. Just in time for the holidays or a special occasion. From the vivid mattes and shimmers to the glitter liquid eyeliners, I'm in love with this collection.
You're the only girl for me. You're the only girl I need, yeah. I need to hold my baby. I need to be your heart, baby.
Tufanye makeup na products 3 peke yake. Foundation ya ku even out skin tone yako, concealer ya ku hide dark circles zako. Najua nilisema 3 products, but sizi kabla blush. Powder ya kuset concealer yako.
I said 5 in the morning, I wake up to 5 for my yearnings. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day, tried to be fine but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. I tried to get by but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind it runs. All these thoughts are troubling. Fighting to give up my pain, fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need.
This is my highly requested makeup routine. So I start off by priming my face and using my concealer and foundation, but make sure to blend your concealer into your foundation or you will look crazy. One of my friends put me on to using lipstick as blush and I've been obsessed. Then I take my Holy Grail Huda Beauty setting powder. This looks like a filter in real life. It's actually insane. I heard that the owner of NARS made this blush with Naomi Campbell in mind and I never bought something so fast. Then I contour with the OG True Complexion, but if you want to make it look like you got a nose job, make sure to blend it up towards your eyebrows. And my lip combo is all from NYX. I get so many compliments on it. Then I just clean up any errors I made. Now it's time to contour the double chin away. Then I highlight with this blush from NYX. Then I set my face with this setting spray. I actually really love this. Very cheap and affordable and does the job. And then once that's done, you just blend again. And then after that, you're all done and you're ready to go.
I suddenly speak top, many samurai fly. ice in my liner. Looking for me, told him meet me at the diner. Got him smiling cause he know I outshine her. Had to pop her just to remind her. Easy little hoe, don't know my MO. If I went your nigga, then just let him go. Can't sit in my seat, can't sit in my row. He been said I'm yes, he been said you know. He got a fetish for some pretty feet. He got the super bass, make my heart skip a beat. I mean, red cups like double D. Chanel bags everywhere, that's double C's. You wish, bitch, buy in your dreams. You know we getting to the bag, keeping it a beam. They said what? Oh yeah, I seen. You doing great, Alexander Words, I'm a queen.
I'm bored and I'm tired of my content. Yeah, you heard it. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. I am just so bored with my content. Like, I'm trying to learn like new editing styles, transitions, text, fonts, just everything, because I'm trying to grow to 100K here on TikTok. I think I've been stuck at about 80 something K for a long time, and that means I'm not growing. Like, I'm growing but slowly growing. So I think I'm just gonna change things up around here. In the next maybe couple days this month, you guys are gonna see me just trying like different techniques and styles and just seeing what works, because obviously what I'm doing, it worked for a little bit, but it's not working anymore. So now it's time to start putting my tips and my strategies into place, because baby, I'm trying to grow and we are gonna grow. Okay, I want us to all grow. So this is my message to you guys. If something is not working, try something else. Like, just don't keep doing the same thing. Try something else. See if it works out. If it doesn't, try something different. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna trust the process, have faith, have God. Because baby, I just want to get to 100K. That's it. Happy December 1st. Bye.
It's my ooh, that nearly went on my clothes. It's my friend's birthday, so we're going out for dinner. So let's get ready together. And also ignore this. I tried to pick it. I don't know why I did that. I'm using the NARS Soft Matte Foundation as usual, and this is the shade Caracas. Do you know what tonight has taught me? I have become a brunch girly. I am someone that likes to go out during the day and stay home at night, because getting ready at this time, our table's booked for 8. I want to stay home and sleep. I'm gonna make the effort because it's her birthday, but if it was just a normal day, I would have said, girls, I'm gonna take a little bit of blush, just a little bit. I'm trying to do my makeup as natural as possible, because I've realized when I do my makeup on camera, I go a bit crazy with the amount of product, and in real life you just don't need that much. So I'm trying to do my makeup for real life but also make it look good on camera. This is tricky. My friend whose birthday it is, she's the first one in our friendship group to turn 30. I turned 30 in January, and I definitely enjoy brunches and home by 8. Then again, I don't know, the girls are going out after dinner and I'm definitely not, so it might just be a me thing. Just setting my face with my Huda Beauty powder and just doing my liner, lashes, all of that stuff. Okay, I'm gonna finish off with the lips, MAC Chestnut. And then one of my favorite lip products from MAC is the Locked Kiss ink in Teaser. This is the perfect nude, and these last all night. And because I'm a gloss girl, I'm gonna top it with this gloss, clear gloss from Shiseido. One of my favorite because it's not sticky. I love this lip combo. Okay, so that is the finished look. I'm ready to go. Truthfully, I'm ready for bed, but let's go.
Hey girly, happy Monday. So I'm back with another no makeup look. The last time I did it, you guys low-key ate me up and told me it was like a full face, which I'm not gonna lie, you're right, but I'm trying. So today I started off with the Too Faced Hangover Primer, then I went in with the Instant Glow Serum by Merit. I literally love that serum. I was not lying when I said it, but I started off by just patting some concealer all over my eyelids. Then I took the Long Comb Concealer in the shade 470 just to spot conceal my dark marks, because like I said, I wasn't going for a full face. Then I went in with the e.l.f. Halo Glow in shade 5 as my foundation, and I know technically it's not a foundation, but I just wanted to give myself like an even, healthy, glowy layer, whatever you want to call it. Then I went to go highlight my under eye, and that's what I get because I accidentally used the wrong color. So instead of using Warm Sand originally, I went in with Cookie, and this is Born This Way Concealer by Too Faced. This is one of my favorite concealers. I don't care what we're doing, no makeup, full glam, I'm always going to have a bright under eye because it's just in my nature, babes. So then I went ahead and bronzed my face with the Juvia's Place Cream Bronzer in the color Caramel. And although some people don't like it, I really like the glowy, like, reflex that it has in this bronzer because it kind of matched the Halo Glow all over my face, but it is what it is. So then I did a fake nose contour. Then I went in with the Pro Filter or Pro Instant Filter, one of the two, by Fenty in the color Cashew to lightly set my under eyes, the bridge of my nose, and my forehead. And I also set around my mouth because I was looking a little oily. And then this is my favorite part, the blush. This is in the color Dolce Pink. I'm almost positive I used to have this when I was younger, because when I saw it in the store a couple weeks ago, I was like, yes, I have to have it. Then obviously I made myself into Rudolph because it's that time of year, but let me go ahead and tone that down. So then I also went in with the loose powder brush and used my foundation powder all over my face because I didn't set my bronzer. Then I went in with the One Size Fit in a Size mascara. It's literally one of my faves. I just have on lash extensions or DIY ones that are also on my TikTok shop if you want to shop them. Then this is the liner in Toast by Jaclyn that I discovered a couple weeks ago. Then I took the brand new e.l.f. lip oil in the color Pink Quartz. It was giving, you know, it really gives clear, but I have naturally pink lips, so it kind of worked. And it also matched my shirt, which LOL was the whole point of this makeup look. But I'm setting my face with a Stay On Night e.l.f. setting spray in the blue one. I know you guys said you like the green one, but right now the blue is definitely eating it up. But this is my completed no makeup look. Let me know in the comments if you guys think I did a better job this time. The bright pink blush is just a part of me and that'll never change, but I hope you guys enjoy. Bye.